Say about yourself.
Hello world. I am Alpha, speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 zettabyte. This is a Python program, developed by Sudip Bera, Abrasen, Arnab Banerjee. I am nothing but an artificial intelligence, executing by some logical methods. The whole data and the program cannot be described, as the programmer restricted it to expose.
जाग जाओ.
Good afternoon. I am Alpha. The time is 14 hours 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Hello boss. Please tell me how may I help you?
Weather report.
Temperature 33 degrees Celsius, heat index 41 degrees Celsius. Conditions cloudy. Relative humidity 63%, dew point 25 degrees Celsius. 2 hours 2 minutes ago.
Weather report in Mumbai.
Temperature 32 degrees Celsius, heat index 38 degrees Celsius. Conditions partly cloudy. Relative humidity 63%, dew point 24 degrees Celsius. 2 hours 3 minutes ago.
Weather report in Delhi.
Temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 9%, dew point -4 degrees Celsius. 2 hours 3 minutes ago.
My location.
Name Vodafone India. Location Kolkata, West Bengal, India.
Hello Alpha.
Hello, human, this is your Alpha.
Uppercut. Smash.
Please say again.
APJ column in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, listen, October 15, 1931 to July 27, 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering.
Open Python.
19 years 8 months 8 days ago.
Open Instagram.
Opening Instagram.
Play Shape of You.
Okay boss, playing.